Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Rick in Tennessee on this Galaxy DX33. Rick, we brought it back to life for you. Did our tune and alignment, fixed the issue with no output, and upgraded your voltage regulator to the new max mod. So let's get right to it, okay? Our power on low, 5 watt slug. You're looking right about 1 watt. 2 watts on medium, 5 on high, 50 watt slug, average power, low, about 13 bird, peak power, low, 34 peak. Not too bad for a single 1969. Alright, Rick, I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.